Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we dive into today's topic, hit that like button and subscribe too. It's a lot easier than figuring out German paperwork and way more fun. Your support means a lot. Now let's get started.
Question number 1. What happens as a result of tire pressures being well below the recommended levels? Tire wear increases. True. Operating with low tire pressure leads to uneven and increased wear due to added friction and heat. Pollutant emission decreases. False. Lower tire pressure typically results in higher fuel consumption and consequently increased pollutant emissions. Fuel consumption increases. True. Insufficient tire pressure increases the rolling resistance of the vehicle, leading to higher fuel consumption. Question number 2. When should you switch off the engine to save fuel and reduce pollution? When you stop at a stop sign. False. It's generally not necessary to turn off the engine at brief stops like at a stop sign. When you have to wait in a traffic jam for a long time. True. Turning off the engine in prolonged traffic jams reduces fuel consumption and minimizes pollution. When you have to wait at level crossings or building sites. True. It's advisable to turn off the engine during extended waits to conserve fuel and decrease emissions. Question number 3. Your vehicle loses oil. How much drinking water can be polluted by a single drop of oil? 600 liters. True. A single drop of oil can contaminate a large quantity of water, rendering it undrinkable. Question number 4. What must you remember when refueling? Do not breathe in any fuel fumes. True. Fuel vapors can be harmful, so it's important to avoid inhaling them. Do not refuel when the tank is full and the nozzle has switched off. True. Continuing to refuel after the nozzle clicks off can lead to fuel spillage. Fill up to the brim if possible. False. Overfilling can cause spillage and is not recommended. Question number 5. Where can used oil, lubricants and car batteries be taken to be disposed of properly? The professional disposal of waste oil, lubricants and vehicle batteries can be carried out via car workshops and recycling centers. Question number 6. What measures help protect the environment? Low resistance tires. True. Low resistance tires reduce rolling resistance, leading to decreased fuel consumption and fewer emissions. Low viscosity engine oil. True. Using low viscosity oil reduces friction in the engine, contributing to lower fuel consumption and reduced environmental impact. Air conditioning systems. False. Air conditioning systems increase fuel consumption and emissions, not typically considered environmentally protective. Question number 7. What can regular vehicle maintenance help achieve? Keeping emission levels low. True. Regular maintenance ensures the vehicle operates efficiently, leading to lower emissions. Ensuring road safety. True. Well-maintained vehicles are safer to drive, reducing the risk of accidents. Keeping fuel consumption low. True. Regularly serviced vehicles run more efficiently, consuming less fuel. Question number 8. How do you drive with consideration to the environment? Avoid unnecessary acceleration and unnecessary braking. True. Proactive driving reduces fuel consumption and emissions. Always accelerate to the maximum when the traffic light changes to green. False. Abrupt acceleration increases fuel consumption and emissions. Decelerate in good time and use the momentum of the car when the next traffic light is on red. True. Using the vehicle's momentum and timely deceleration conserves fuel and minimizes wear. Question number 9. What can help save fuel and reduce pollution? Contributing to a constant flow of traffic by thinking ahead and driving correspondingly. True. Anticipatory driving maintains a smooth flow, reducing stop-and-go situations, thus saving fuel. Using public transport, a bicycle or walking, wherever possible. True. Choosing alternative modes of transportation lessens road traffic and emissions. Paying attention to the fuel consumption of a motor vehicle when buying it. True. Selecting a fuel-efficient vehicle contributes to long-term fuel savings and reduced pollution. Question number 10. What can you do to help protect the environment? Avoiding trips is good for the environment. This is particularly true for journeys to crowded cities, short journeys, and full throttle journeys. Question number 11. Why is it beneficial to use low-viscosity engine oil? Can be disposed of as household waste. False. Low-viscosity oils should be disposed of properly and not as household waste. Generate less friction in the engine. True. They contribute to lower fuel consumption by reducing friction. Reduce fuel consumption. True. By generating less friction, they enhance engine efficiency. Question number 12. How can you save fuel? Removing any non-essential roof boxes, etc. True. Reducing air resistance by removing roof boxes decreases fuel consumption. Driving in a foresighted manner. True. Anticipatory driving helps to maintain steady speeds and reduce fuel use. Driving with winter tires the whole year round. False. Winter tires may increase rolling resistance and fuel consumption if used all year. Question number 13. How can you minimize tire wear? Use winter tires all year round. False. Using winter tires throughout the year can actually increase wear. Refrain as much as possible from rapid acceleration. True. Avoiding harsh acceleration helps prolong tire life. Regularly check the tire inflation pressure. True. Proper inflation maintains tire condition and reduces wear. Question number 14. What vehicles are generally exempt from the ban on road traffic in environmental zones? Ambulances on duty. True. Ambulances in service are usually exempt due to their critical role. All motor vehicles belonging to the environmental zone inhabitants. False. Ownership alone doesn't exempt vehicles from restrictions. Agricultural and forestry tractors. True. These vehicles are typically exempt due to their specific use and limited operation within such zones. Question number 15. When is it sensible to switch off a combustion engine? When loading and unloading the vehicle. True. To conserve fuel and reduce emissions, it's advisable to switch off the engine during these activities. When stopping at intersections with a stop sign. False. At brief stops like these, it's generally not necessary to switch off the engine. During lengthy waits at rail crossings. True. Question number 16. You are driving through city traffic in rush hour. What are the effects of stop-and-go driving? Consumes more fuel. True. Stop-and-go driving in rush hour leads to more frequent acceleration and braking, causing higher fuel consumption. Creates more exhaust gases. True. More fuel consumption results in increased exhaust gases, contributing to pollution. Creates more nuisances for others. True. The frequent stopping and starting can be disruptive and stressful for other road users. Question number 17. What is a precondition for environmentally friendly and energy-saving driving? Checking the tire inflation pressure regularly. True. Correct tire pressure ensures better fuel efficiency and reduces wear. Performing vehicle maintenance regularly. True. Regular maintenance ensures the vehicle operates efficiently and is less polluting. Washing the engine regularly. False. Engine washing doesn't directly contribute to energy-saving or environmentally friendly driving. Question number 18. You are driving a motor vehicle with a manual gearbox. What style of driving results in higher fuel consumption within a built-up area? Driving in a high gear. False. Driving in a higher gear at appropriate speeds typically reduces fuel consumption. Accelerating heavily. True. Heavy acceleration increases fuel consumption significantly. Driving at high engine speed. True. Higher engine speeds typically lead to increased fuel use and higher emissions. Question number 19. You are driving a motor vehicle with a manual gearbox. How can you reduce the fuel consumption of your vehicle? By employing an anticipatory driving style to avoid frequent changes of speed. True. Anticipatory driving, which avoids unnecessary speed changes, can save fuel. By driving at a high engine speed. False. High engine speeds increase fuel consumption. By switching early up to the next gear. True. Early gear changes keep the engine speed low, promoting fuel efficiency. Question number 20. How can you reduce the noise generated by your motor vehicle? By using tires that have a low rolling noise. True. Driving at low revs reduces vehicle noise. Special low noise tires also contribute to noise reduction.